In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add striking neon text to your videos using CapCut. It's a great way to give your projects an eye-catching, professional touch. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, go ahead and open CapCut. If you don't have it already, you can easily download it from your App Store. Once you've opened the app, you'll want to start a new project. It's a straightforward process. Just click on the option that says New Project to get things rolling. Now with a fresh project underway, it's time to import your video file. Go to your media library, find the video you intend to edit, and drag it down onto the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This allows you to work directly with your video clip, making it easy to see exactly where you want your text to appear. To add the text, look toward the top menu and click on Text. This will open up a range of options for you. Here, you'll want to select the Add Text button. Once you've done that, a text box will appear on your video, ready for you to add your message. Type out your text inside the box and position it on the screen just as you desire. You can click and drag the text box to place it exactly where it fits best within your video. Now let's head on over to the right-hand panel to start personalizing your text. First, navigate to the Style tab. Here, you'll find an array of fonts to choose from. For a vibrant effect, opt for a bold or digital-looking font. These styles really make your text pop and draw attention. Once you've settled on the perfect font, let's inject some color into your text. Bright colors work wonderfully for that neon glow. So consider colors like cyan, magenta, or lime green. These colors not only stand out, but also give off that vibrant neon vibe. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Shadow. You'll want to enable this feature as it adds depth to your text, enhancing the neon effect. Choose a shadow color that matches or nicely complements your text color for a cohesive look. To give your neon effect that glowing warmth, increase the blur and opacity of the shadow. By adjusting these parameters, you create an alluring glow around your text. Want to add an extra touch of pizzazz? Navigate over to the Loop Animation tab. Here, you can add a soft glow or even a flicker animation to your text, giving it that dynamic, pulsating neon effect that's sure to captivate your audience. And there you have it. You've seamlessly integrated neon text into your video using CapCut. With these steps, you can enhance any video project with style and flair. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.